Hello guys, this is Gaurav and welcome back to gourabsartcraftworld. Today I'm going to show you a beautiful jar recycling idea. First of all, by using a masking tape, mark both the upper and lower part of the jar. Now take some baby powder, glue and black acrylic color. Mix them nicely. Now by using a sponge, color both the upper and lower part of the jar. After completely drying up, remove the masking tape from the jar. Now by using a Chakla Belan and some cutting tools, prepare some flowers and leaves which we will require to decorate our jar. Now following your design, stick them on the jar with the help of glue. Now prepare a long clay strip, fold it from middle, join both the edges and twist it in this way to make a rope shape. Now stick it on the top of the bottle and let it dry. After completely drying up, it will look like this. If you don't want to color it, then you can also leave it like this because I think it's already looking good. Now for coloring, here I am applying the same mixture of talcum powder, glue and black acrylic color on the clay parts. You can directly use black acrylic color, but I had some remaining of this, that's why I am using it. Now after completely drying up, take a sponge and highlight it with metallic copper. Now for the last finishing, take metallic gold and highlight only the clay parts by using your fingers and let it dry. So guys, our beautiful jar decor has completed and this is how it looks. So friends, try to make it yourself and do show me your work on Instagram. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.